Hi there, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and I am out the back at our latest project about to give the finishing touches to this awesome little outdoor setting that we've created. It is an outdoor bench seat area with this beautiful breeze block feature. We used 3 James Hardie products, super simple, a compressed fibro, a villa board and a blue board. And now I get to put the finishing touches on, which is kind of fun because we're using Dulux Texture paint. We've colour tinted this product to match the exterior trims of the home and the pergola out back here in the Dulux White June. So I'm going to call in one of the experts, Peachy, who heads up our painting crew, to come and help me, give me some tips on how to get this amazing texture product on these walls.
You can start with a few samples yourself.
We've got swirls, we've got lines,
or
we've
straight
got
down,
or as Bonnie wanted this.
A slow wave.
A slow wave.
Very slow, she wants it.
We might do a fast wave.
Yeah, fast
All right.
wave.
Okay, so Peach, so I'm thinking this might take us about half an hour or so to do, you and I together.
Yep.
And then it's 1 hour till it's touch dry, but we can't do the second coat for 4 hours.
For 4 hours after that, yeah, because it's still a bit soft. So
it's going to be a long day.
Yeah, it's going to be a long day.
All right, I've got to give this a go. So what's really important is using this lambswool mitt. Peachy got these lambswool mitts, and they give you the ability to do all different kind of patterns you want. So we're doing what Bon's after here. This look is these kind of lines across. Now the product comes in 3 different types of coverages, and on this occasion we've gone for the medium. That's the look Bon's after. It gives a beautiful finish that suits the aesthetic of this particular home. Another good feature is it's water-based. And as you can see, I've already spilled it on my jeans, and just a bit of water and it comes straight off. The quickest and easiest way to transform your home is definitely through paint. We've used the Dulux Textures range here behind me to achieve this beautiful rough masonry look. So head to the Dulux website to learn more.